Let us learn the word garnish. Garnish is a verb. Garnish means to add a decorative or finishing touch to something, often food or drink. It is often used to describe the act of adding a small or decorative element to something in order to enhance its appearance or flavor. For example, if you garnish a dish, you are adding a small or decorative element, such as herbs or vegetables, to the dish in order to enhance its appearance or flavor. If you garnish a cocktail, you are adding a small or decorative element, such as a slice of fruit or a sprig of herbs, to the drink in order to enhance how it looks or tastes. It is often used to express the idea of presentation or finishing touches and can be used in various contexts, such as in reference to food, drinks, or other decorative items. Here are a few examples of how the word garnish can be used in different sentences. The chef garnished the dish with fresh herbs and a drizzle of olive oil. The bartender garnished the cocktail with a slice of lemon and a sprig of mint. The pastry chef garnished the cake with fresh flowers and a dusting of powdered sugar. The court released orders to garnish his wages to force him to pay the dues. The host garnished the table with candles and a vase of flowers. The server garnished the plates with a sprinkle of chopped nuts and a drizzle of sauce. In pictures used in restaurant menus or websites on cuisines and recipes, the food is often shown well garnished with herbs, sauces, or salads. Synonyms of the word garnish are improve, enhance, embellish and decorate. An antonym of the word garnish is spoil,